Hello student, today I will study about first chapter of physics, physical world. What is physics? Physics is basically branch of science which deal with nature and natural phenomena. You know, science have two branches, natural science and physical science. For natural science contain two subjects, botany and geology, or physical science contain physics and chemistry. Physics is basically branch of science which deal with nature and natural phenomena occurring in our daily lives, जैसे formations of rainbow, bending of lights, light and reflections, flow of electrons, flow of electricities, image shown on the screens, all these phenomena related to our physics. Physics has two basic principles. First one is unifications, second is reductionism. In unifications means attempt to explain various phenomena by a single law. जैसे बेटा different phenomena explain only single laws, that is called unifications. जैसे let's take example, for example, falling of apple on the ground, motions of moon around the earth, and motions of planets around the sun. All these phenomena explained by single law, laws of gravitation. It is called unifications. In reductionism, you will study about a like bigger problem you solve dividing into smaller parts. That is called reductionism. If any kind of problem related to physics solved by dividing into smaller part is called reductionism. Next we talk about the branches of physics. Physics have many branches. First, thermodynamics. First branch है बेटा हमारी thermodynamics. Thermodynamics related to temperature. Thermodynamics related to our temperature and heat. Second one is mechanics. In mechanics you will study about the motions of the object. Third one branches is vibrations and waves. You will study about planetary or periodic motions. Or fourth one is optics. In optics you will study of light. Fifth one is electromagnetism. In electromagnetism you will study about electricity and magnetism. In quantum physics you will study about the nucleus and atom. In quantum physics you will study about nucleus and atoms. Clear? Thermodynamics related to temperature. If you want to study, you will go to mechanics. If you want study of periodic motion, you will go to vibrations and waves. If you want study of light, then you will study optics. If you want to study electricity and magnetism, you will go to electromagnetism. If you study about quantum level of study of atoms and nucleus, you will go to quantum physics. Scope of physics divided into two parts. First one is macroscopic domain, second one is microscopic domain. In macro means study of bigger object, or micro means study of smaller object. Clear beta? In microscopic physics also called classical physics. In microscopic physics is called quantum physics. In macroscopic physics divided into four parts: mechanics, electrodynamics, optics and thermodynamics. Mechanics and thermodynamics you will study in class +1, and electrodynamics and optics you will study in class +2. In mechanics, you will study about the motions of object, sound wave, study of sound wave, flotations of ships, all these in study in related to motions and cause of motion study in mechanics. Thermodynamics, you will study about the temperature and heat. In electrodynamics, you will study about the charge, current, AC current and DC current and working of transformer, or you will study in electrodynamics. In optics, you will study about the light, the properties or dual nature of light as well as act as a wave as well as a particle. Or you will study about lenses or mirror and rainbow formations. All you will study in optics. In microscopic domain, you will study in quantum physics. In quantum physics, you will study about nucleus and atoms. You will study in class +2. In class 1, you will study mechanics and thermodynamics. In class +2, you will study electrodynamics, optics and quantum physics. Clear?